In recent years, our collective nervous system has taken a hit like never quite before. So here at Held, we're really passionate about creating safe containers, spaces where you can come and ground and rest and heal and rewire your nervous system in the lap of nature in the womb of Mama Bali. When we experience stress in continuum, so over an extended period of time, which might just look like a lack of certainty, a lack of safety, ambiguity, as well as significant threat or trauma, when we experience chronic stress or traumatic stress, this has a significant impact on our nervous system, our health, and our well-being. So in our time together at the retreat, we'll be not only co-regulating with nature and with each other to bring ourselves back into harmony, but we're going to offer you empowering practices for self-regulation. Tools that you can learn to bring yourself back into harmony while we're here, retreating, restoring, rewiring. But just as importantly, tools that you can then add to your daily life in moment-to-moment practice out in the real world. A nervous system rewire retreat might be perfect for you if you've been experiencing things like anxiety, a really active mind, overreactive mind, if you get easily overwhelmed, more emotional than usual, if you feel adversely disassociated, disembodied, not really quite here, or you find it hard to connect to your feelings. It's hard to be in the present moment. Maybe you get stressed very easily. Maybe you feel demotivated. You feel a lack of enthusiasm about your life. Maybe there's even depression. So these are all symptoms of trauma being stored in the body. We can reverse these symptoms by toning our vagus nerve, bringing our rest, digest, and repair back online where all healing happens. And then from that place, we develop well-being, equilibrium. We touch back into our natural resources for wellness. The retreat is here at Yogi's Gardens. So we are far from the hustle bustle of the tourism scene in Bali. We're nestled in nature, right up at the base of the beautiful Mount Agung. We're surrounded with organic gardens. We'll be eating straight from the gardens to the table, 3 organic meals a day. We'll be nourished with plenty of spaces to walk and journal in nature every day. We'll be taking trips to Kintamani Mountains. We'll be taking trips to a holy water temple. We'll be doing Agnihotra fire ceremonies. So we'll be really incorporating both Balinese culture and nature as part of our healing. You'll have the opportunity to receive daily gentle yoga practices, restorative yoga, yin yoga, gentle morning stretches. You'll also be specifically engaging the nervous system rewire practices. And we'll be doing daily yoga nidra, a meditation to deeply restore the nervous system post-trauma. You'll also have the opportunity to receive deep, nourishing spa treatments every day. We include in your package 1 free spa treatment, but you can book in as many as you like. Things like Balinese massage, hot stone massages, which nourish the acupoints on the body with the Balinese volcanic rocks. You can have acupuncture, you can receive flower petal baths, you can have soaks in the hot tub, infrared saunas. We've supplied a whole plethora of nourishment for your nervous system so you can restore, rest, rewire, and renew. We've designed our program so that everything that we offer is optional. You are welcome to indulge as much or as little as works for you. The invitation is to attune to your own nervous system, and you can either join in all of the programs or use this time to just take time out for yourself. So it is our deepest desire here at Held to create a safe and supportive and nourishing environment so that you can leave here feeling rested, restored, renewed, and begin a whole new chapter starting in you. We look forward to journeying with you and supporting you in the restoration and the rewiring of your nervous system.